Struggling with maddening ear ringing that just won't quit? I feel ya, been there, done that. But guess what saved my sanity? Zeneara ear support. Imagine a world free from that constant buzzing. For me, Zeneara wasn't just hype. These 100% natural vegan capsules tackled the nasty chemical imbalance messing up my brain. And let me tell you, it worked wonders for my tinnitus. Plus, no harmful stuff, just pure goodness. Picture yourself reclaiming your peace. No more dizzy spells, no more crippling headaches, no more panic attacks because your memory feels shot. Zeneara has your back, addressing the root cause of your tinnitus so you can start living again. Trust me when I say regaining control of your life comes at just $69. That's less than a dinner date, but with life-changing results. Why suffer in silence? Smash that order button now and let Zeneara bring serenity back into your world. Don't wait another second. Your path to tranquility starts now with Zeneara.